What's up, guys? It's King Ramen, and today I'm going to be giving you the tutorial on how to make your account and avatar look like a Roblox noob, the classic kind, not a bacon hair, the different kind. So basically, you do need a computer for this. You cannot do it on mobile because it does not give you the right setting. I looked to see if there was a way to do it on mobile. There is not. So, for all you mobile players out there, if you don't have a computer, I'm sorry, this will not work for you. And you'll have to find a different tutorial. But basically, if you do have a computer, it's your lucky day. So basically, you want to get all this stuff up. You want to get your computer ready. You want to get Roblox up and running. Make sure you're logged in, and then go to Avatar. So I got all my accessories off just to show this tutorial, quick and easy. Basically, you want to go to body, then go to skin tone. Then you want to scroll down and click advance. And then it gives you the option to color only certain parts of your character's body. And so you want to first go to torso and do this color of blue. And then you want to go to your left leg and do this color of green with both legs. And then when you finish that, do not click the X, click the done button, and then it saves, and then boom, you got the Roblox noob. If this tutorial does not work for you, I have no idea what else will, because this is what it works for me. But basically that's it. The quick and easy tutorial on how to make your character look like this guy. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please tap the like button. If you never want to miss another video, tap the notification bell. And if you just like my channel in general, hit that subscribe button. This is King Ramen, and I'll see y'all in the next one.